Let's see. How did we deal with last night's homework? Looks like the very first problem, we're solving the system using substitution, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are all substitution. Problem number 2, sure will. Okay, the line x equals y, that's just it's a diagonal line, right? So problem number 2, we have so think about this. You know this is one equation. Like this as a linear equation if graph is a 45-degree line, goes right through the origin like that. Okay? So alright, so I can either plug x in for y or y in for x. Doesn't matter which one you do. So maybe I'll plug right here. So I get 2y is equal to y plus 3. Subtract y, so I get y over here. I get y equals 3. Plug that back in. And then if y is equal to 3, obviously x is equal to 3. So your answer is the ordered pair 3, 3. Make sense? Anything else through number 6 you want to take a look at? 1?
Well, yes,
All right, number 1. So you get y is equal to 6x minus 4, and y is equal to negative 2x plus 28. It wouldn't make sense, but being that y equals and y equals, I could set the two equal to each other. So I get that. Add 2x, so I get 8x over here. Add 4, so I get 32 over here. Divide both sides by 8, so I get find x equals 4. So my first answer is 4 here. If I take that answer and plug it into either one of those, doesn't matter which one, so I'll plug it into the top. So that's 24 minus 4, so that's 20. Done. Anything else 1 through 6?
Number 6.
6. Alright, on number 6, we have 7, x minus 8y equals 112. Uh-oh. And then I have y equals negative 2x plus 9. So we have one of the, thanks Ash. We have one of the letters solved for down here. So I can take this here and I can plug it in right there. Does that make sense? No, take it back. Hang on, don't look. Look over there. I can plug it in right there. Sorry about that.
What? Isn't it the same thing? Because
You have x versus y, two different letters. Alright, so I'm going to take this top equation, modify it, so I have 7x minus 8 equals 112. So I'm going to plug negative 2x plus 9 in. Distribute here. Plus 16x minus 72 equals 112. What is that? 23x. Add 72, so that's going to be 4. Is that 184? Divide each side by 23. I need help. If you have a calculator, please do this. 184 divided by 23. 8. Perfect. I like when that came out nice and even. So I get an x value of 8. I can take this 8 and I can plug it in right here, or I can plug it in right here. Which one makes more sense to plug it into? The bottom one, because it's already set for y. The answer would be the same regardless. It's just sometimes one is set up easier. So that's what? Negative 7. Perfect. So there's my answers. Negative or 8 and comma negative 7. All right. 7, 8, or 9. 7, 8, or 9. We're graphing them. 7. Yeah. Number 7. The y-intercept on the top one is negative 2. The y-intercept on the bottom one is 2. Okay. So number 7, we have y equals x minus 2, which I'll graph. Negative 2, up 1, right 1. And the other one is plus y equals 2. Cover method, I get here, and I get here. Looks like it crosses at 2, 0. I plug 2, 0 in. Yep, it works. Yep, it works. Good. Okay. Number 10, let's just run through that. Suppose you want to join a gym. Yay. Colorado Athletic Club has an initial fee of $480 plus $40 a month. So Colorado Athletic Club, we have y equals $40 per month plus $480. Does that make sense? So you have to pay $480 no matter what, and then you pay $40 a month every month. 24-hour fitness has no initial fee, but it's $55 per month. Okay, we could put plus 0 if you wanted to. Okay, so there's your two equations for the two places. How many months do you have to join for it to be the same price? Okay, so we're thinking about where would these intersect? Okay, where would they be the same value? So x is your month, and y is what your cost would be. Okay, so if I were to set these two equal to each other, because they're already set up that way, I can go 55x equals 40x plus 480. Subtract 40, so I get 15x over here. I need your help, please. 480 divided by 15, please. 30. 30?
No. Wait. 32.
32. So at 32 months, which, that's coming up on 3 years, you would pay the same amount. The same amount would be paid. And as soon as the next month comes rolling around, 24-hour fitness becomes more expensive. So if you had both places within the same vicinity of your home or whatever, if you knew you're going to be long-term at one place versus the other, it would make more sense to join the Colorado Athletic Club if they offered everything the exact same. I'm just saying. And I know there's certain things that go into your thought process. What's the better deal over a 3-year period? The better deal is Colorado Athletic Club. The reason is because at the 33rd month, this becomes more expensive. 34th month, more expensive. 35th month, 36th month, more expensive. Okay? This one, if you're going to move someplace, you're only going to be there for a little bit of time, and you just want to join a gym or whatever, this might be the one that you choose, or this might be the one you choose initially. So those are just a few things to think about, when you are looking to work out. And I get it. You'll get some people say, some people will say, oh, that place sucks. Oh, okay, why? Well, it sucks. Okay, why? Well, it sucks. Why does it suck? They have a swimming pool. They have all the weights I want. It's not crowded. Well, that place sucks. You got to give me a little bit more than that to determine if I want to work someplace or not, or work out someplace, right? So I'm trying to get you guys to realize that a logical argument isn't that place sucks, right?
Couldn't you just go to 24 or CAC for like 32 months and then, or no, 24 hours fitness for 32 months and then just switch to CAC?
No, because you still have to pay $480, right? So
You'd be out of money.
that's all right. We go stuff. All right, let's take a look at the review. Let's take a look at the review if y'all don't mind. Let's pass those forward, please. Which numbers did we focus on the review? Something through 39. Help me out. What was it?
32, or like 31 through 40.
Was it 22 through 39?
We were past 30.
It was 31? 31 through what?
31 through 39.
31 through 39. All right.
Like 6 different rows.
You're like,
I don't understand. It's like everybody has a row.
31 through 39. Good.
31 to 39.
All right. 31 through 39. Here we go. Problem 31. We have 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. Give the slope and the line perpendicular. The slope and the line perpendicular. Okay. So I have to figure this out. I have to solve for y. Solve for y. Because if you make it look like this, this will find you the slope, and then a perpendicular line, you know the slope is the negative reciprocal or the opposite reciprocal. So if I start solving that, I get negative 2y is equal to negative 4x plus 6. The reason I got that is I subtracted 4x from both sides. Then I'm going to divide everything by negative 2.
Why you
2x and then minus 3. So what is my slope of this line right now?
2.
2. What is the perpendicular slope? Negative 1/2. It's opposite sign and then flipped over. Okay? Some people might see this as 2 over 1. Okay? It means the same thing. Cool? 32. If we have this as a slope and this as a y-intercept, we wanted to find the equation. This is the equation that works, slope-intercept form. So we plug our slope in. And then plus negative 3, you can leave it like that. Or reduction of signs. Number 33. Which is parallel to this. If it's parallel, it means it has the same slope, right? So the slope of this line is 4 over 5. I know that because it's already solved for y. So I need to find which equation also has a 5/4 slope, and it looks like letter D. Let's go back on 32. What was 32? 32 was D, isn't it? Isn't that D? And then on slope line perpendicular, negative 1/2. C is on that one. So 31 is C, 32 is D, 33 is D. 34, find the slope between, I have this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, I have to know my slope equation is this. Doesn't change, it's been the same ever since. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Plug it in, so I'm going to get 1 minus 8, and 6 minus 3. 1 minus 8 is 9, 6 minus 3 is 3, so I get a slope of 3, which is B. Right? That's 34. 35. They want us to graph negative 3x minus y equals 6. Cover method, x equals negative 2. Cover method, y equals negative 6. Make sure it crosses there. And that looks like letter C. Cool. 36. We have 4 equals 2y minus 8x. That's kind of set up goofy. I guess we could do the cover method. If I do the cover method, our y value is equal to 2. If I do the cover method here, our x value is negative 1/2, right? Down here. So it might be backwards. Some of you might see this better if I rewrote it this way and then did the cover method. Just realize your x and y's are still backwards. Which letter is that one? B? Cool. 37. 37, we have 8 equals negative 2y minus x. Cover method will work nicely. Let's see. X equals negative 8, which is way over here. Bless you. And then our y value is equal to negative 4. And that would be b. Right? 38. Cartesian. Got the jitters. It happens sometimes. Y equals negative 9 over 4x plus 4. My y-intercept's 4. My slope is down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over 4. What letter?
B.
B?
B.
B as in boy?
Boy.
And then 39 was our last one, right?
Wait, I thought it was 8.
No, it's
Oh,
39.
39.
Which one? What did I do wrong?
No, I was talking about 37.
Did I do the right one?
Yeah.
38, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And 39, we have these graphs. So which is the right inequality? This is number 39. So 4x minus 2y is less than negative 3.
0 equals 0.
0 comma 0 is a good test point. Let's graph it first. So let's see. If I did the cover method, I get x equals negative 3/4. So if that's negative 1, it's like right there. If I do the cover method there, I get 1.5 in the y. Solid or dotted line? Dotted because of that, right? And now we know that 0 comma 0 is a good test point because it's not on the line at all. So we plugged it in. I get 4 times 0, which is 0, minus 2 times 0, which is 0. Is 0 less than negative 3?
No.
No, that's false, correct?
Right, so it's above.
So shade over here. Shade the side that the 0, 0 is not on. Cool?
Wait, so on this graph, you couldn't see if it was solid or dotted.
Yeah. We'll make sure that you can. So which one does that look like it would be?
A.
A?
Yep.
Okay. So let's do this. So for let's see, 40 through 45. What's today? Wednesday?
Yeah. 42, 47.
Let's go 40 through 54.
What?
Cool?
Yeah.
Okay. 40 through 54 on the review. That's all. Okay, so other things to know. There is something on Schoology, so make sure you do it. This particular review goes under the test category rather than the quiz category, which is worth a little bit more meat. So make sure you do it. Do it appropriately. Okay, I had a couple of you do it. I had somebody who did it who got one problem right.
No way.
One.
You?
Was it me? No. No, but like, if you get one problem right and you did this, what is your problem? Like, seriously. That just means you're going in and going, I'm just going to guess arbitrarily, and this time it's going to be right. Really? And then I'll get the email from that kid's parents. Hey, what can they do to bring up their grade? Try? Let's start there and then see what happens beyond that. Nah, what beyond trying? What else do you think? Switch schools?
Wow.
I'm just saying. It's just it floors me that, like, why would somebody waste their time going A B B B A B? I'm sure that's right this time. You're right. You found the pattern. Okay? So, let's just make sure you're doing that. So, with that on Schoology. And then, what other things are we talking about? So, the review, this is all we have. And then the Schoology. And then we have a quiz today on those linear equations.
Wait, which day is the final for this class?
Well, we'll start it on Monday.
No.
Okay, I'm just saying. Start it on Monday. And then I believe it's Tuesday. I think. Am I right? Okay.
We start at 8:05.
Sounds like a plan to me.
And we end at 9:25.
Okay. I will tell you that in my years, somebody who has guessed randomly on all the answers didn't get everything right. Dude, I got 2 of them right.
So what?
2 out of 100.
Good. Those are Vegas odds. Okay. Everyone got it figured out what we need? So, hey, when's the Schoology due? Sunday.
11:59:59.
11:59 in the PM. Don't wait until then. Okay? And then you do have the review that we'll do tomorrow. Or we will go over those tomorrow. Got it?